A barista needs a good coffee machine, a pilot needs a good aeroplane, a mechanic needs a good workshop, a town planner needs good digital connectivity and a laptop. My name's Adam Burns and I'm a director of Think Planners. It's a town planning consultancy located here in Parramatta Park in Western Sydney. Western Sydney is seeing unprecedented growth and investment in infrastructure, jobs, schools, transport, and what is critical to the success of all that is digital connectivity. We are engaged in assisting people with getting their development applications into both local and state authorities. We also play in the master planning space, urban design space. So what's important for us is we become a pivot point for information. We are the point at which people move large files to and from. And it's critical for us to be able to move those documents as the pivot point to receive those expert reports, receive those artisans' documents and be able to collate them, pull them together and then move them on, seeking approvals from authorities. Connectivity and digital movement is everything. A barista needs a good coffee machine, a pilot needs a good aeroplane, a mechanic needs a good workshop, a town planner needs good digital connectivity and a laptop. For us, we are the conduit of information. It's everything from the moment we open the doors to the day we close our doors. The entire day is dependent upon, reliant upon and built upon digital connectivity. So looking forward, we are well into the digital era and things are only going to become more and more reliant upon speed, connectivity, advancements in digital movements, digital activity. And that will require good connectivity, good speed, good access to data. Lifting digital capability is essential. It's the space in which our business inhabits. It's where we work, it's what we understand, it's how we operate. But more than that, it's important for society, for us to be able to access information about society, about design, about needs, about demographic shifts. Access to that kind of information is critical for our business so that we can serve society and act to improve it.